I'm sure you've been hearing it all over the place. It's a seller's market. But what is a seller's market? Basic economics. Demand exceeds supply. Simply put, there's more buyers than there are homes available. Inventory is low. This is the case across many markets in the US, especially here in Billings, Montana. So are you a buyer in this competitive market? Stay tuned for some tips to make your offer stand out among all the other offers. So, what can you do to make your offer stand out? 1, offer over asking price. This one's pretty simple. However, be prepared because I've seen some offers anywhere from $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, and even $25,000 over asking price. 2, don't ask for closing cost assistance from the seller. I know this is super common to ask for seller-assisted closing costs. However, if you want your offer to stand out, just don't ask for it. Save that money up so that you can pay for the closing costs. 3, escalation clause. Some agents recommend this and some don't. If you're already working with a realtor, definitely ask them. But what an escalation clause is that you present an offer, let's say in this example, $200,000, but you're anticipating some competition. So the escalation clause says that if you get higher offers from other buyers, then you will pay up to $215,000. This is totally optional, not required, but it is something out there that you could use to your benefit. 4, an appraisal gap. So what we've been seeing a lot right now is, a home is going over asking price, say $20,000 because the seller wants more money, right? Well, the sold homes may not support that value. So if the buyer is doing financing, that lender is going to send out an appraiser. An appraiser is going to look at the recently sold homes, typically in the last 6 months, and come up with an appraised value. We have been seeing that appraisals are coming in low. So what the appraisal gap does is says that if the appraisal comes in under purchase price, that you, the buyer, will pay up to the appraised value at closing. 5, write a letter to the seller. Why not? This could appeal to them emotionally. If you want to let the seller know what it is that drew you into the home or what you love about the home or the yard, maybe that will appeal to them. But you have to be careful. Don't talk too much about your family, that your church is down the street. You got to be careful because there is the fair housing law out there. So you want to make sure you're not violating any fair housing laws. So just keep it to what it is that you love about the home. Now, if all else fails, they end up taking another offer. Be the backup offer. You never know. That other buyer could terminate because of financing or inspection, or maybe they got cold feet. So always become the backup offer. Hit subscribe for more real estate tips.